Hi all, I'm Ade from Liquid Earth. It's a channel all about video and photography, so if that interests you, consider subscribing. I'm posting every single week. Today we're going to be looking at connecting a microphone, a shotgun microphone, directly to your gimbal. I'm using the Rode Micro. It comes with this adapter, and I'm going to use the Ulanzi adapter here, which is a cold shoe adapter, and it's got 3 mounts on there, so you can connect 3 devices including a microphone. So this slots in to the cold shoe. Just tighten that up, and then you've got some cables. Now if you're connecting directly to an Android or something with a normal headphone port, then the black part of the Rode, which is the TRS, that's got 3 segments, that goes to the microphone. And then you've got the TRRS, which has 4 segments, and that's always grey on the Rodes. That connects directly to your camera if it's an Android or one with the headphone port, or if it's an iPhone like mine, I've got an iPhone 11, you'll need this little adapter. So it's a TRRS to Lightning adapter, available on the Apple site. I'll put links to all of these in the description, and that's going to go directly into your Lightning port. But all you do then, you simply screw this into the underside of the tripod mount on any gimbal. I'm using the OM4 from DJI, but all gimbals will have the same mount on the bottom, tripod mount. So we're going to screw that in. Make sure this is facing the right way. Let's tighten that up. Okay, and then let's pop the phone on. Let's make sure we get that the right way around. Okay, make sure we're roughly balanced. Okay, so we're all set. Let's turn that on. And then you can pop this tripod into the underside of the Ulanzi, because that has an additional adapter there. Any tripod's going to do, they're all the same. So we can pop that on the tripod. And then we're going to pop the cable directly into the side of the phone, and we're all set. So now we've got our microphone attached. Now because that has 3 adapters here, you can attach a light as well. I'm using the Godox, very good quality. I've used their flashes for years on my professional photography, and this was reasonably cheap. I can't remember exactly how much it was, but it wasn't that expensive at all. And then that can just slot directly into one of these slots here and tighten that up. Now just note that that does overlap a little bit on this casing, but it doesn't make any difference. I've used it and there's no problem there. We can turn that on. And then we've got the light. This light is adjustable, so we can change the brightness. So we've got your microphone attached, and we've even got a light attached. Very, very simple to do. So that's how to simply connect a microphone, and actually in this case a light, to a gimbal. Very simple. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope that was useful for you. If it was, subscribe. I'm posting every week, and I hope to see you next time. Take care.